your yoga teacher from Ardent Progressive School, Haldwani, Lamachar. I hope you all are well, fit, fine at your homes and doing yoga daily. Today we will going to learn about two pranayamas. They are Sitali Pranayama and Sitkari Pranayamas. We do them in summers. Why do we do them in summers? Because they bring cooling effect in our body. इन प्राणायाम को हम समर्स में ही करते हैं क्योंकि हमारी गर्मी को ये दूर करते हैं और शरीर में ठंडक लाते हैं. Dear students, we will not do Sitali and Sitkari pranayamas when we are suffering from cold and cough because they are increasing the cooling effect in our body. So they will increase the problem of our cold and cough. So we will not do them if we are suffering from cold and cough. So let us learn Sitali and Sitkari pranayama. Dear students, first we will do Sitali Pranayama. For that, we will sit in any meditative pose. It can be Padmasan, it can be Ardha Padmasan, Sukhasan, etc. Make the Gyan Mudra with your hands by touching your thumb to the index finger and keep the hand over your knees. Sit erect, roll your tongue and take it out from your mouth and breathe from your tongue slowly and deeply. Fill your chest, fill your abdomen. After that, for holding the breath, bring your head down, touch your chin to the chest, bring your chest up and touch it to the chin. For breathing out, bring your head up and breathe out slowly, and we will do it again. Do Sitali Pranayama with me. Roll your tongue, take it out from your mouth, breathe in through your tongue. After deep breathing, hold the breath inside, bring your chin down and touch to the chest. This touching chin to the chest is called Jalandhar Bandh. After some time, bring your head up and exhale through the nose. And now we will do third round together. Roll your tongue, take it out from your mouth, breathe in through your tongue. Breathe slowly and deeply and fill your chest, fill your abdomen. Take the complete breath. After that, for holding the breath, bring your head down, touch your chin to your chest, bring your chest up. This is called Jalandhar Bandh and you will hold the breath for some time. After that, you will bring your head up and exhale through your nose. In starting, you can do these pranayamas 5 rounds. Afterwards, increase them gradually and you can do them 10 to 15 times also. These Sitali and Sitkari pranayamas keeps our body and mind cool. They reduce anger, anxiety, stress, high blood pressure and acidity also. They gives control over our thirst and hunger. They purifies blood and they are good for our skin. They refreshes body and mind. आप चाहें तो प्राणायामा के 2 राउंड के बीच में थोड़ा नॉर्मल ब्रीथिंग भी कर सकते हैं ताकि आपकी सांस ना फूले. एंड में आँख खोलने से पहले हम आँखों में पामिंग करेंगे. रब योर बोथ द हैंड्स, मेक योर पाम्स वार्म एंड आफ्टर दैट ब्रिंग योर हैंड्स टू योर आईज. जेंटली ब्रिंग योर हैंड्स डाउन. अगेन रब योर हैंड्स, मेक योर पाम्स वार्म. वी विल डू इट वन मोर टाइम. ब्रिंग टू योर आईज. Gently bring your hands down and now you can open your asana. Coming out of the asana is the same as getting inside the asana. Open your legs one by one and spread your legs in front and come to the Dandasana. Make the gap between your legs. Keep your palms back side and bring your head to one of your shoulder and relax your whole body. In Sitali Pranayama, Sital means cold. This Sital also indicates to calmness. This Pranayama removes the anger and gives the calmness. And now we will do Sitkari Pranayama. For Sitkari Pranayama also, come in any meditative pose, cross leg or do Padmasan or do Vajrasan. Here I am doing Ardha Padmasan. For Sitkari Pranayama, close your jaws. Close your teeth and lips should be widely open. Breathe in from your mouth. Slowly and deeply inhale from your mouth. After that, do Jalandhar Bandh by bringing your head down, touching your chin to your chest. Bring your chest up to touch the chin. and bring your head down. Hold the breath for some time. After that, bring your head up and exhale through your nose. Do the Sitkari Pranayama with me. We will do it again. Your back, head and neck should be in one line. सांस को मुंह से अंदर लेना है, लिप्स को खोलना है अच्छे से चौड़ा करके, दांतों को मिला के रखना है, धीरे धीरे सांस को अंदर भरना है। उसके बाद सांसों को होल्ड करने के लिए जालंधर बंद लगाते हैं, उसमें हेड को नीचे करके ठोड़ी को चेस्ट से चिपकाया जाता है और सांस को हम भीतर रोक के रखेंगे। सांसों को सहजतापूर्वक जब तक रोक सके रोकें, उसके बाद सर को ऊपर ला के नाक से सांस को धीरे धीरे बाहर छोड़ना है। यह हमने दूसरा राउंड कंप्लीट कर लिया है। एंड नाउ वी विल डू द थर्ड राउंड। क्लोज योर टीथ, ब्रीथ इन फ्रॉम योर माउथ, लिप्स शुड बी वाइड अपार्ट, ब्रीथ स्लोली एंड डीपली। आफ्टर दैट, ब्रिंग योर हेड डाउन, touch your chin to your chest, bring your chest up to touch the chin. Hold the breath. After holding the breath for some time, you will open the Jalandhar Bandh, bring your head up and exhale slowly through your nose. Dear students, in starting you will do them 3 to 5 times. After that, gradually you will increase the numbers of the pranayam rounds and you can do it 5, 10, 15 and 21 times also. सितकारी प्राणायामा को करने में मुंह से सी की सितकार होती है, इसलिए इसका नाम सितकारी प्राणायाम रखा गया है। सितकारी and Sitli pranayamas have the similar benefits. In hot summer days, you can do these pranayamas and bring the cooling effect in your body. Before opening our eyes, we can do palming. So, rub your hands, make your palms warm. After making your palms warm, bring your hands to your eyes. Gently bring your hands down. And one more time do the palming. Rub your hands, make your palms warm. And after that, again bring your palms to eyes. Gently bring your hands down, touch your body, bring your head down. And now you can open your asana, spread your legs in front and come to the Dandasana. And for relaxation, keep the gap between the legs, keep your palms back side, keep your head over one of your shoulder and relax your whole body. Diseases related to heat or the Pitta dosha can be removed with the help of these pranayamas. After the relaxation, you can get up. I hope you liked the Sitli and Sitkari pranayamas and you will do them in summers. Do the yogasanas at home. Stay healthy and stay blessed.